Hello friends, and welcome to class today. We're talking about SURDS, right? SURDS in mathematics. And the definition is a SURD is a root that cannot be expressed as a whole number or a fraction. Alright? I'll say it again. A SURD is a root that cannot be expressed as a whole number or a fraction. We have some examples. Examples are root 3. We have root 2, we have 4 root 7, we have let's say 2 root 5, and so on and so forth. Now someone will wonder, why study SURDS? Sometimes in measurements we want to get our answers as accurate as possible. Precision is the word. Alright, now when you change this to decimal form, you start having several numbers or several digits behind the decimal point. Okay, that may affect our result, but this will give us our answers to the closest precision. Okay, now we have some roots that are not SURDS. All right, we have, for example, root 25. Root 25 is not a SURD. You know why? 25 in itself is a perfect square. So the square root of a perfect square will give you a single number. So the square root of 25 gives us 5. Square root of 4 gives us 2. Square root of 16 gives us 4. Square root of 81 gives us 9. So as you can see, these are rational numbers or simply whole numbers. Alright, so these are not SURDS. The root of a perfect square gives us a single number. Hence, the root of a perfect square is not a SURD. But the root of a number that is not a perfect square is a SURD. Alright, thank you. I hope you've been able to identify SURDs. Watch my next video. Bye.